Good evening, South Florida. I'm tracking a severe thunderstorm warning that has just popped over Broward County. So this goes for about another hour until 8:30. So let's take a look at this as the storm packing winds to 60 miles per hour could cause some damage. So the warning area goes from around Coral Springs just south of Deerfield Beach to just north of Hollywood. So West and Pembroke Pines, Fort Lauderdale, Coral Springs, Pompano Beach, you're all included in this. And on top of that, we have some flooding concerns with it too, of course, anytime you're talking heavy rain, but we had so much rain yesterday and the storm's going right over the same spot. So until 10 tonight, through much the same area over Broward County, the concern for flooding is on the table. So we'll be watching that. Let's take a closer look at the storm. The heaviest downpours right now look to be around Coral Springs. We'll say North Lauderdale, Fort Lauderdale, and Oakland Park, all of that. And then around Davie, especially along University Drive. You can see all the lightning that's in there as well. So intense and frequent lightning with this storm. The reason why the storm was declared a severe thunderstorm and why the warning was issued is because of the winds, and this cluster has a history of something called a downburst. Some of you in Sunrise probably felt one about an hour ago. What these storms are doing is they're pulsing where the winds just shoot out of them up to, again, 60. It's enough to cause roof damage and things like that. And we're seeing some indications that that may be happening up around Coral Springs. Let's take a closer look there. I know that this doesn't mean much to you, but radar not only tracks where the rain is, but how it's moving. So that inversely tells you what the wind is doing, how fast the wind is. And when you get these real bright colors like this, it tells us that the winds are cooking along pretty good. Not as high right now as it was just moments ago, but all from Coral Springs to Coconut Creek to North Lauderdale. It's pretty gusty stuff, and it's going to fan out. So get ready for that with some of these storms. And on top of that, could have some hail. In fact, we had a report that there was some nickel-size hail around Sunrise with that. Let me see if I can spot any on my well, the best hail potential right now looks to be just west of Lauderdale by the sea around Oakland Park. I know it doesn't really pop out to you, but right there is where the radar is estimating we could have some nickel-sized kind of small hail. Probably not enough to even damage your car, but it's possible. So we're going to be tracking these storms. If necessary, we're going to break back in. You can track them at local10.com. We have a radar on there as well. We'll keep you ahead of the storms. For now, back to your show.